Welcome to this comprehensive review of OLT Tax, a platform that offers affordable and efficient tools for filing your taxes online. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about using OLT Tax, from its user interface and pricing to its overall performance. Whether you're filing as an individual or for a small business, this review aims to give you an honest perspective on how this platform performs. To begin, OLT Tax is known for its streamlined approach to tax filing. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a simple and intuitive dashboard. The platform supports federal and state tax filing, and one of its standout features is its affordability, especially compared to other tax software available on the market. OLT Tax caters to users who want a straightforward experience without paying premium prices for added bells and whistles. Navigating the site is relatively easy, with well-organized sections for income, deductions, and credits. Each section provides step-by-step guidance to help you input your information accurately. The software is particularly useful for those familiar with basic tax filing processes, but may be slightly challenging for beginners due to its minimalist guidance features compared to more expensive platforms. The tax calculation accuracy is another highlight. OLT Tax ensures compliance with IRS standards and automatically applies deductions and credits where applicable. However, customer support options are somewhat limited, primarily offering email support and a FAQ section. This might be a drawback for users who prefer live chat or phone support for immediate assistance. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching this review. OLT Tax also stands out for offering free federal tax filing for individuals under specific conditions, making it a competitive choice for those who meet the requirements. Additionally, its state tax filing fees are among the lowest in the industry, providing exceptional value. However, it's worth noting that advanced features, such as in-depth audit support, are not included and may require additional costs if you need them. As we move through this review, I'll show you a real-time walkthrough of how to input your tax data, verify your details, and e-file your returns directly through the platform. This will give you a clear picture of what to expect when using OLT Tax. In terms of security, OLT Tax employs industry-standard encryption to protect your personal information. This is crucial for any tax software, as the sensitive nature of tax documents requires a high level of data protection. To conclude, OLT Tax is a cost-effective and reliable solution for tax filing, particularly for individuals or small businesses looking for a no-frills platform. It may not offer all the advanced features of higher-priced competitors, but it delivers on its promise of simplicity and affordability. If you're confident in your ability to navigate basic tax forms, this platform could be an excellent fit for you. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and insights into online tools and services. Your support helps us create more content to guide you through the digital world.